In a far-off land, not too far away, lived a young boy named Viktor Krum, bright and gay. He was the smallest of all the Quidditch players, but his skill on a broomstick was second to none. Every day, he'd practice with all his might, chasing the golden snitch through the daylight with a swift broomstick called Vixen 93. He'd fly through the air, as free as can be. One night, under the silver moon's gentle glow, Viktor found a little girl, all aglow. She was lost, scared, and all alone. Her eyes wide open, she looked for a home. "Hello there," said Viktor, with a kind, warm smile. "I'm Viktor Krum, and I've flown for a while. I see you're lost, but you don't need to fret. I'll help you find your way back to your nest." The little girl's eyes filled up with delight. She took Viktor's hand, and they took flight. Through the stars and the clouds, they soared high, over mountains and forests, under the sky. They landed in a village nestled by the sea, where the little girl's parents waited anxiously. Viktor helped her say goodbye, with a tear in his eye. Then he took off once more, under the moon's gentle sky, back to his broom, to his game, and his quest. Viktor Krum, the smallest, was the best. He'd always remember the night he saved a little girl, and the magical encounter he'd braided. Remember, dear children, always be brave, and help those who are lost, as our hero did save. For kindness and courage, in every way, will lead you to wonders, like a Quidditch play.